Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video I will tell you about how you can check the IMEI number of your device REALME C35. Before starting the video, if you are new to channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device REALME C35 you want to check the IMEI number, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can check the IMEI number of your device. Let's watch the video.